Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now we're going to go over all of the explosive penny stocks on our watch list, starting first with TSNP. So we're looking at TSNP on the 30-minute time frame, and we were down almost 10% today, but nothing crazy actually happened in TSNP today. We are still trading in our bull flag. We have a conclusion here on Tuesday, so we'll get a better sense of direction on TSNP come next week. And so I do expect us to kind of hover our way back up, test this line of resistance again near 137, and then slowly start to trickle breakout, and then eventually have a quite nice boom to the upside. And so that's what I expect with TSNP. For just looking at the RSI, we are at a pretty low level here at 38. So I do expect a nice movement with this one next week. So I'm very excited for that one. We are finally concluding this bull flag and our nice consolidation at these levels. And so this might be the last time that we see $1.30 with TSNP. Second stock of the day, we're looking at SNDL on the 30-minute time frame. So along with the entire cannabis sector, SNDL followed suit today, down almost 13%. And so what I do want to mention with this one is we did test our bottom line of support on our uptrend. We held it, we bounced back, and now we are trading above this point, as you can see right here. Do keep in mind that today was Friday. Weekly options do expire today, so those people who had a short position in SNDL, like bigger hedge funds, did want to cover their positions, so they did do their best to try to bring this price down, which is exactly what we saw. Reason why I say that is if we look at the volume today relative to the buying and selling, you could see we actually had a lot more buying than selling today, but we were down 13%. So you got to look at the game behind the market to see exactly what's going on here. So it was quite bullish in my opinion. We're sitting above a support line. I think we're going to have a lot better week next week in SNDL. Third stock of the day, we're looking at HITI, High Tide Inc. on the 30-minute time frame. So again, a cannabis play, also down today almost 12%. Biggest thing here to look at is that we did break down from our uptrend line right here to close out the day. So that was short-term bearish. But if we look at the RSI, we are in oversold territory. So I do expect to start to see this one climb up a little bit. And I do see this as a buying opportunity for those of you who have yet to get into High Tide. And so next week, like the other cannabis plays, have been getting rocked this entire week for the last couple days. So I think we'll see better and brighter days next week. But today we were down almost 12% in High Tide. Third stock of the day, we're looking at ASTI on the 30-minute time frame. So the biggest thing to mention here with Ascent Solar Technologies is that we did break down from our uptrend line right here, but we did not have a back test of resistance. So that is the next thing I want to see with ASTI come Tuesday. I want to see us come back up to this line and either break above, or if we get rejected by this line, then I do become bearish on ASTI. And so Tuesday is going to be a very critical day for ASTI. And so today we were down 8.13%. And I am short-term bearish on this one until we start to see us claw our way back up over this trend line. Next stock of the day, we're looking at HCMC on the 30-minute time frame. So Healthier Choices was down almost 15%. It was another cool-off day for HCMC, but the beautiful thing here is we are still sitting right above our trend line, and we did not yet test this bottom line as support. We had a slight little scare right here, but we are still above this point. So we are bullish on HCMC, and if we can get a nice little bounce and a back test and we have a confirmation, that does look like a nice buying opportunity of those of you who are still waiting to get in on this stock. And so overall with HCMC, we've had a lot more buying than selling in the last month. So today was just a nice little cool off day for HCMC, down almost 15%. Next stock of the day, we're looking at WDLF on the 30-minute time frame. So Social Life Network was actually down almost 4%. And you can see a common theme right here with the OTC markets. We saw a lot of red today, but that is to be expected as we have been going crazy in the OTC market. And so this is just a nice little cool off day. And you can still see we are sitting above our line of support. So I am still bullish on Social Life Network, and we are well above our uptrend line. So just a nice little cool off day here for Social Life Network. Nothing crazy going on here. Next stock of the day, we're looking at HYSR, Sun Hydrogen on the 30-minute time frame, down almost 2% today. And so we are still in no man's land. I want to see a back test of either this 50 SMA or this support line that we have. As of right now, I would stay away. We are still kind of bleeding to the downside, and until we find a base on this one, I don't see it as a buying opportunity. RSI does look like it's starting to climb up a little bit, which is nice to see, but still, I would like to see a nice little back test and a confirmation to get in again. But today we were down 2% for HYSR. Next stock of the day, we're looking at ACDC on the 30-minute time frame. So ACDC had a beautiful day today. We were up 12%. chart looks very similar to Social Life Network. We are well above our uptrend line and we have held our line of support. And so with this stock, we could potentially be forming a flag, but it's too early to tell right now. And so with ACDC, this is a stock that I do see in getting over $1 in the short term, and we'll see how long it takes. But this one has had a lot of bullish momentum the past few weeks and shows today we were up 12%. Next stock of the day, we're looking at FERN Corp, FERN, on the 30-minute time frame. So we were up 5.56% on this one. And the one thing I want to mention is we are on an uptrend on this one, but we do want to break this line of resistance right here at about 0.002. So I do believe if we can break this point next week, we will start to test new highs for FERN Corp. We have had a nice little run up and we had a cool off day in my opinion today, not going up as high, but I think the next target for FERN is to break this uptrend line. And you can see we were rejected multiple times here and we were tested as you can see, we have treated this line as resistance multiple times. We did break out once, but we did come right back down. And so if we want to see new highs for the stock, we do want to break this uptrend line. And that is exactly what I am watching for next week. Overall, today we had a nice day, up 5.56%. There you guys have it. That was our update on all the penny stocks that we are watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs. So if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.